In Maharashtra now with the untimely demise of Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Now there seems to be several factors there as far as this vacuum that seems to have been left behind. Both of the factions of the NCP are said to be in a huddle on their respective ends. With the NCP, Sharad Pawar faction is very keen on a possible reunion or a merger, while some leaders are also coming out against this merger. Leaders from the AP camp want Sunetra Pawar or Ajit Pawar camp want Sunetra Pawar to lead and take his position. Meanwhile, final decision is likely to be made by the Pawar family as both factions want to be a part of the Mahayuti government. However, the only issue whether Sharad Pawar is keen on joining hands with the BJP. If he calls its political retirement, then the road to join the NDA becomes clear. We have Arunil and Rucha, both of them joining us here on the broadcast. Good afternoon to both of you. Arunil, help us with the basic understanding what may happen next, because what we are looking at is a split, positions that are lying vacant, portfolios that need to be also taken into as far as when it comes to the working of the government or working of the Mahayuti is concerned, that should not be affected.
Well, this is a major conundrum for the Pawar family, for Sharad Pawar, for the leaders of both the factions. In fact, Ajit Pawar camp as well as Sharad Pawar camp as well. We understand they are in a huddle. In fact, a series of meetings are lined up from both the sides. Particularly, there are three leaders from the Sharad Pawar camp who have openly voiced saying that the reunion was going to happen. Ajit Pawar was in favor of it. So they are completely in favor of the reunion. In fact, they want to join the Mahayuti government as well. The only hindrance or an obstacle in this development is Sharad Pawar. Sharad Pawar has always done his politics on the secular line, on the lines of the Congress party. So whether Sharad Pawar will be willing to join the BJP or the NDA, that will be a big point of question. In fact, yesterday we understand there are two senior leaders from the Ajit Pawar faction, that is Sunil Tatkare, the working president, as well as Chhagan Bhujbal, the OBC Neta. They met Sunetra Pawar and were trying to convince her to basically take Ajit Dada's place as the deputy CM. Now, whether Sunetra Pawar, who's already a Rajya Sabha MP, will be accepting that again, we will be keeping a close eye on that. At present, it's a mourning period for the Pawar family. Whether they're going to take any kind of immediate decisions, because this is about Pawar legacy, this is about following in the legacy of Ajit Pawar, and this is about power as well. So who is going to fill in the shoes of Ajit Pawar? Because these are big boots to fill up. 5 cabinet portfolios Ajit Pawar held. He was the deputy CM as well. He was the party president. He was basically the main successor.
That question with the Rucha as well, because the Maharashtra cabinet reshuffle is now likely after Ajit Pawar's untimely death, with key portfolios, 5 of them, including finance and planning, now lying vacant. And as power sharing talks intensify, the NCP has also begun backroom negotiations as it is now looking to stake claim of all of the ministries, Rucha, as far as what were already being led by Ajit Pawar and his party.
Definitely, while we are understanding it is very painful period for the Pawar family to make any decisions at this point, but it is also important for the state's smooth functioning that the departments that Ajit Pawar held needs to be replaced by somebody, and those are finance ministry as well as many departments, including the sports welfare as well as the minority department. He had additional charges of all the important departments as well. It is important for the state's functioning that somebody else needs to take charge over that. And if we talk about the finance department, in the next month on 23rd of February, the Maharashtra state budget was to be presented. The budget session will start by 23rd, and until then somebody has to take the department forward. And what we are understanding is the discussions are underway. Important meetings are taking place by both NCP SP and NCP Ajit Pawar faction. The leaders are trying to come to a point, but it is too soon to come to any conclusion, because the family, the Pawar family, is currently mourning for a few days. We would not be seeing any of the leaders from Pawar family making any decisions on this, but the senior leaders, including Praful Patel, Chhagan Bhujbal, and several leaders from the Sharad Pawar factions are also having discussions within the party now. It is
are
also
there any
important
contenders,
to...
Arunil, that we are looking at as far as Ajit Pawar's sudden death that seems to have plunged the NCP faction into crisis that is now facing leadership vacuum and an uncertain future? Coming in from a West Bengal minister who says that the BJP's fight with Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar had started and the BJP can do anything. They can kill, they can crash the plane, they can do anything to stay in power. Such seems to be a serious allegation that has now been leveled on part of a West Bengal leader.
अजीत पवार ने बीजेपी के साथ थोड़ा लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी है, तो बीजेपी सब कुछ कर सकता है, वो खून भी कर सकता है, प्लेन क्रैश भी कर सकता है, बीजेपी सब कुछ कर सकता है पावर के लिए। पावर में रहने के लिए शरद पवार किस लिए बोला मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन जिस प्लेन में क्रैश हुआ है उसमें 1% चांस है दुर्घटना का, वही प्लेन में क्रैश हो गया, तो इसीलिए तो सबको को तो कोई ना कोई डाउट तो होगा ही, इसके लिए इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए।
Well, Rajesh is connected with us. Rajesh, such statements of sensationalism still continue to come in despite Sharad Pawar coming out, himself out to give the clarification that there is no foul play, that it was purely an accident. And he has, in a way, asked when it comes to political leaders coming in from the NCP to avoid any fear-mongering on the issue or any conspiracy theories that are completely being ruled out.
See, earlier we have seen TMC Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself has raised several questions regarding the accident of Ajit Pawar, and she, during her speech, she also indicated towards political conspiracy, because she also had said that Ajit Pawar was about to come back to his old faction. During that time, that accident really was auspicious like that. So after few days, her cabinet minister and agriculture minister Shobhandam Chatterjee of West Bengal minister has also raised the same question, supporting the statement given by Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. This time, Bengal minister Shobhandam Chatterjee has raised several questions, saying that BJP can do anything to stay in power. BJP can kill anyone. BJP can even crash any planes to stay in power. There is no guarantee, and the proper investigation should be done into this incident. He also mentioned that Ajit Pawar was coming back, and a fight between Bharatiya Janata Party and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra had already begun. So that is why this is suspicious. So he has demanded a proper investigation into this plane crash incident. Back to you.
All right, we'll listen in again to the West Bengal leader, the Mantri there. And this is despite Sharad Pawar and leaders of his party coming out to state that refrain from making any such statements as far as surrounding any political conspiracy in the death of Ajit Pawar. But it seems that leaders in the opposition, we've heard such statements that have come in from the TMC, from the Aam Aadmi Party and from the Samajwadi Party, asking and seeking for a code-monitored investigation. Let's listen in once again.
अजीत पवार ने बीजेपी के साथ थोड़ा लड़ाई शुरू हो चुकी है, तो बीजेपी सब कुछ कर सकता है, वो खून भी कर सकता है, प्लेन क्रैश भी कर सकता है, बीजेपी सब कुछ कर सकता है पावर के लिए। पावर में रहने के लिए शरद पवार किस लिए बोला मालूम नहीं है, लेकिन जिस प्लेन में क्रैश हुआ है उसमें 1% चांस है दुर्घटना का, वही प्लेन में क्रैश हो गया, तो इसीलिए तो सबको को तो कोई ना कोई डाउट तो होगा ही, इसके लिए इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए।
Now, raising doubts as far as the death and the circumstances surrounding Ajit Pawar's death seems to be the first statement that came in from the TMC Supremo and West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself. That was seconded and echoed by other political parties in the opposition as well.
There is no safety and security of the people of this country. Even the political leaders, I do not know what is the fate of the opposition political parties, but we were very much with the ruling party. But before 2 days ago, I came to know that from social network that somebody from other party, they gave a statement that Ajit Pawar is willing to leave the BJP. And now what happened today, I need proper investigation under the supervision of Supreme Court. Only we have the trust on Supreme Court, no other agency. All the agencies are being totally purchased. And really it's a great loss for the country. Maybe he is from the opposition. Now he is from the opposition. But tomorrow he is supposed to join the